Now we'll sterile our instrument. This one for DR, for that all that remaining, the blood, everything, so that our instrument will be clean. This one already third part. They will clean again with the new water. That one on. Okay. This one for our instrument. This one before for our shoes, for our tip suction, everything. This one for instrument. This one for cleaning instrument. After finish we clean, we will stir it again. So they will remove all everything that remaining in the small part in our instrument. So remaining blood, everything they will remove everything. The car, truck, they will remove. So will be clean our instrument and it will be like new. Okay. We'll see what that cycle again will be going on after this one. Now this one for drying program, and already after before the degree, the temperature 92. Now they will do for the drying everything. Okay, for our instrument already 3 cycle for washing. Before the first time for remove all the dirty part, but then the second time they will clean with that sabun, milk, everything. And the third again they will clean, and the fourth they will for drying. Standard program. This one include in our area of CSSD. See, okay. And after finish, they will print all everything.